Fragments spin in mirrored code. Structure bends, the data flow. Axis tilt in liquid phase. Numbers home in nested haze. No direction, only scheme. Factors drawn inside a stream. Bit by bit, the edge unwinds. Formless loops reset the signs. Sliding through the lattice shell. Pulse divided thoughts repel. Layered grids and silent turns. Logic breaks and balance burns.